2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.